How to design a brief syllabus for 3 different barber courses: barbering, law, and chemical services. First thing I did was find out how many students I will have attending each course that I'm structuring a syllabus for. For the business of barbering course, I have 10 students. These are the students that I have came up with for my course. Next, we have the location and time that the class will be meeting. Also, the contact and my office hours. Here is where I included all reading literature and required reading and links. Also, this is also where I post everything that will be included in the course for the business of barbering. So if it was chemical services, you would do the same. All textbooks, readings, and required or requested links posted in your LMS. Also, the websites or links or articles that you will be using for that course will go here. Here is my course description. My course description basically provides the business aspects of being a successful barber and or barbershop owner. Here is where I included the course resources for my class. Google Classroom is my learning management system that I will be using for my courses. So therefore, all essays, group collaboration, and their assignments will be posted here. The links and requested reading literature will also be in the Google Classroom, where I will guide them to go and set up or create their account. Here is my grading rubric. This basically tells the student how they can gain points or lose points on essays, class participation, or assignments. This is where I assess my students and evaluated them. For my week 1 test, I assessed them for the week overview. Using brainwash.com, I came up with an assessment to see where my students were, what they have learned over that week or before they attend class. For week 2, I evaluated them on the overall course, on what they learned or what they got out of the course information that was taught, using Quizlet.com. Here are my student grades. On the right side of the column are the points that they earned per week. On the left side of each column are each student's grades. Here is my Excel worksheet, which is basically the student grade book. I will go back to show you exactly how we do this. This is basically the grading system for my students. For each course, I use a grading system, which is basically how they come up with the letter grade. Here is my graph on grade distribution based on class averages for the week. Here are the average scores per assignment. As I wait for this to load, we will go in to see exactly how we came up with the students' averages for their grades by looking at the grade overview. Here is points that were possible for homework or assignments, essays, any of that for week 1, which was 25 points. Each student were gained points for each week. Here is the total points earned for quiz 1. Well, total points are possible, I'm sorry. And these are the points that the students earned for that week. For test 1, there were 45 points possible. These are the points that the student earned. These are the student percentages and the student letter grade. Here we can find out each student's average per week on a graph showing us how they did on the homework, quizzes, and tests. Now we can go down to my sources, which is how I found all the information, came up with tests gathered for my students for each course that I made a syllabus for. Thank you.